Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then tap on privacy and security. Here click on passcode and Touch ID, which is the second option, then enter your Telegram passcode and click on unlock with Touch ID down below. As you can see, the Touch ID has been set. You will be able to unlock the application by using your fingerprints and using the Touch ID. If you would like to disable it, just come back to this section and click on the same button again and it will be turned off. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.